Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over my exact supply and demand strategy, how I use it, how I trade it, all the time frames that I use to trade it, and how you can start to trade it to start making money in your trading. Again, extremely excited to share these tips and secrets with you. So tune in. Let's get after it. Wanted to come in here and drop this in so you guys understood exactly why. I feel like most of you do, but I just wanted to be crystal clear on this setup, right? So if we zoom out, right, this is just supply and demand with lower time frame confirmation, right? This is basic what we teach. It just looks different because we're zoomed out, right? It's a swing trading, but it's zoomed out, right? So if we go to a higher time frame, 2 hour, 4 hour, whatever it is, right? We see that we have demand back from Friday, March 15th, right? That created a gap up, right? So this is demand, okay? Waiting for that retest, right? What happens? Again, you can do that by setting an alert, waiting for the retest. Whatever you do, you wait for price to come back there, right? Then you want to see a reaction from that area, right? That's what you want to see. When you're watching for that transaction, when you're watching for that reaction, you then go to a lower time frame. Okay, this can be the 30, the 15, the 5, the 1. It doesn't matter, right? Whatever helps you see the picture clearest, right? When we go down to our lower time frame, we notice that price comes into demand, right? We then have another reaction, right? We have a lower time frame change in trend based off our reaction from our demand back on March 15th, right? This reaction creates a change in trend on a lower time frame, right? So we're creating lower lows and lower highs, right? We then break that, right? And we now make a high, right? Creating a change in trend right there, right? Or a break of structure, right? We also have one that occurs right here, right? Again, it's a part of the same move because this high creates a new low, right? It's part of the same move, right? However, it doesn't really matter. I mean, you can play with it whatever one. It's the same rules, but the difference between this high and this high is what? From our previous high, we have a retrace of 50% or more, right? And then we break structure, right? When we look at our lower high down here, we don't have that 50% retracement, right? So if I was to play just this high, while it could still work, it has a less probability to work. Because I'm playing the break of a strong high, right? It has more of a likely chance to work out. What makes this a strong high? Again, it's relative to the time frame that you're looking at, but prior to breaking structure from our high to our low, we retrace 50% or more, and then we make the new low, right? Strong high. Okay. So then once you get the reaction, I get the change in trend, and it's just as simple as, again, I could enter at the change in trend or enter on the retracement of 50% after the change in trend, or at a retracement into my lower time frame demand. Again, just like we teach in section 7, right here. It's the exact same, right? Strong high, not strong high, right? Liquidity high. Entry 1, at the trend change. Entry 2, after the trend change and a pullback of 50%, where I entered. Entry 3, after the change in trend and a pullback into lower time frame demand, right? That gap up demand, right? So you have all 3 of those entries, but it's all based off risk to reward, right? So if, again, and that's the trade right there, right? Hopefully that all makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions, but that's as pretty much as straightforward a standard as supply and demand with confirmation can be. So let me know. To wrap it up here, again, I just want to remind you one more time, just make sure you like, subscribe, and then leave a comment of exactly how you found this video and what your thoughts are. And if you have any suggestions of how I can improve this channel to make sure you're getting the most value, I'd love to hear it. So again, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.